Hi, I'm Lisa, also known as the Yummy Yank, and I'm here for another recipe. Apologies for the long delay. We were getting our own lights and microphone and I don't know, time just slipped away. You all know me because I'm a baker, but this is going to be the simplest recipe you can possibly imagine, and it's so easy. I call it a cheats crumble. Some may say it's a cobbler, but I say it's a crumble. I am using already prepared things. It takes no time at all. The longest amount of time is the baking time, but it takes no time. So first thing, 13 by 9 by 2 inch pan. Don't even have to grease it. Just leave it and it's ready to go. You use tin fruits or pie fillings, any kind you want. It makes no difference whatsoever. I'm using black cherry pie filling, so it's in a thicker syrup, as you can see. 2 tins, 410 grams. Don't drain it, just like this. Dump it in. Just dump it in your pan. Both tins. I prefer the black cherries to red cherries, but again, it doesn't matter, and you can use any kind of pie filling you want. Doesn't even have to be pie filling. It can just be tins of peaches or pineapple. Makes no difference. Into this, I am adding 700 grams of sliced peaches in juice. Goes right in. If you want, you can crush them or you can cut them. Makes no difference. You don't need quite as big of a tin, but it doesn't do anything to it, so don't worry about it. So my crumble or cobbler is going to be black cherry and peach. Mix that thick, sticky pie filling in with the juices so it's all together nicely. Just mix it all up the best you can. Again, pineapple, it can be all peaches, cherry and pineapple is really delicious. I've done apricots, I've done figs, tinned figs, but there we go. As you can see, it's all mixed together nicely. If you want, you can cut the peaches, you can crush the peaches. Now on top of this, I'm taking a box cake mix. I can't even believe I'm saying I'm using a box cake mix because trust me, believe me, in my bakes, I do not. But sometimes when you bake as much as we bake, and I'm having company for dinner, which I have 3 to 4 times a week right now because we feed a friend who's on his own. So during lockdown, I either take him food or he comes here and we sit in the garden. So I make something easy. This is easy. Take your cake mix, vanilla, yellow cake mix. You can even use chocolate. It's up to you. My favorite's the yellow or vanilla cake mix. Just pour it on top. That's it. Just pour it on top of your fruits. Look at this. Can this not be easier? There we go. All of it. And then once it's in, we'll smooth it and even it. That's it. Just spread it around so it's somewhat even. There we go. That's it. Then you take about 190 grams of unsalted butter, and I cubed it. For my American friends, that is 1.5 sticks of butter, unsalted. Dot it around the whole top of your pan. And this helps form the crumbly, crunchy topping of a crumble or a cobbler. Just all over, best you can. There's no science to it. It's just wherever you want, as long as you are covering the top of the cake mix. No eggs, no oil, no mixing, no sifting your flour and your baking powder or baking soda, no vanilla extract, but please use butter. I prefer butter, as you know, and unsalted. Now on top of this, I like to sprinkle brown sugar, light brown sugar. I don't measure it, I just sprinkle. So just some light brown sugar, soft light brown sugar all over the top. However much you want. If you like more, add more. If you like less, add less. I just sprinkle it to cover it. You don't even have to do this. It's fine with just the butter, but I prefer it. There we go. Oh, that was pretty good measuring for me. You can tell I've been baking a while. That is it. I have my oven turned on, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going in. It's been preheated for about 10 minutes and it will bake for 1 hour. Set it at 1 hour. And I'll be back when this comes out, and I'm even serving it with cheap custard, ready-made custard. I'm telling you, you will love it. See you in a little bit. Bye. Right, it's ready. It's ready. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at this. Oh, that looks so absolutely gorgeous. Bubbly, crispy top. Oof, and the smell, you can't even imagine the smell. Look at that. Black cherry and peach cheats crumble. Now, folks, seriously, could that be any easier? I don't think so. And look what I'm doing. Ambrosia, Devon custard. I'm using ready-made custard or vanilla ice cream or both. If I had vanilla ice cream, I'd use both. So I'm going to dig in, people. Oh, do you see this? Look at this. Just look at that. And I'm gonna put some, gonna just pour some custard. I'm not even gonna bother heating it because I can't wait. And I have a weakness for custard. So, there you have it, good people. Lisa's cheat black cherry and peach crumble with ready-made custard. Doesn't get much better than this. I'm going to go in, but it's going to be really hot. So, excuse me. It's really hot. So warming. The weather's turned a little cooler, even though today was beautiful. But it's so warming and so delicious. Perfect for any time of the year. Give it a try. It's so, so easy. Don't forget, go visit my website, theyummyyank.co.uk. You can buy online. Follow my YouTube channel, The Yummy Yank. I'm on Instagram at The Yummy Yank, Twitter at The Yummy Yank, and on Facebook. Follow me, buy from me. Keep watching my recipes. I'll be back soon. Take good care. Bye.